Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel stylefitwithjanu. So today's video is gonna be about my favorite makeup products under 500 and I'm gonna create a makeup look out of it. So let's see. I have no ideas of what makeup should I create, and the background noise is because of the rain around here. So yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Yeah, I've cleansed my face with Clean Skin Honey Cleanser, and yeah, now it looks pretty dry, right? So I'm gonna just refresh up my skin with this Just Herbs Rose Water Toner. This is a very affordable toner. So I'm gonna spritz it up. Done. And now it hydrated my skin so well and it looks so refreshed. So now let's just move on to the moisturizer, and for that, now my current favorite moisturizer is the It's Skin Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Emulsion. This emulsion is so lightweight, but it is super nourishing to my skin, guys. I love it so much. If you have oily to combination skin, this works as an amazing moisturizer, and if you have normal to dry skin, you can just top it up a moisturizer on top of it and you will have that hydrated, super plumpy skin. So that's about the skin prep. For lips, don't forget your lips. So for lips, I'm gonna use my ever favorite, it's a lip balm cum a lip sleeping mask, I would say, and that is the Believe Cica lip sleeping mask. This has super thick texture, mask, jelly mask like texture. Can you see? It is super nourishing to the skin, guys. Just try it out. It's just worth every penny you pay for it. So that's about my skin prep. Let's move on to makeup products one by one. My top favorites, and I'm sure this is definitely worth the buy. Each and every product is really worth it. So for primer, I'm going to speak about the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. This is a silicone based primer which is so good for all skin types. I wouldn't say it is not suitable for dry skin because it just blurs your pores so well. It mattifies your skin and preps your skin for makeup. So I'm just gonna apply it at the center part of my face wherever my skin tends to get oily, and I'm gonna press it well. My eyebrows are not groomed this time, guys, so please ignore this because I had no time this week to just groom my eyebrows before filming video. Please ignore. Can you see my skin is prepped well and it is super good for the base makeup? So now let's go into the orange corrector step, which is my all-time favorite. It's the Pack Cover Concealer, and this is the shade Rusty Orange. I love it so much. A little bit goes a long way, so I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit to just cover up my hyperpigmentation, flaws and everything. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it super well. I'm gonna just slightly set this up with a loose powder, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty loose powder, and it is in the shade medium deep number 4. It comes in this beautiful puff, but for this step I'm not going to use this puff, and this comes with this lock which is so good and I love it so much. Just because of that, you can see. And I'm going to just take this big fluffy brush. My tongue is slipping very much today, so just ignore. So I'm going to dust it all over my face to just set this well. This is a super beautiful loose powder, guys. This is so affordable, but it just does its job so well. Now I'll just complete this concealer step first to just conceal the color corrected areas. So for that, I'm going to use this Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer. This is not a pretty recent launch, but this is an amazing launch. I'm really liking this nowadays. This is amazing full coverage concealer, to be honest, and I love it so much. I'm gonna blend everything with this beautiful blending brush, and this of course is really affordable and of great quality. Also make sure to work a little quickly with this concealer, guys, because it dries a little bit fast, but it is super amazing. You won't believe that it just costs rupees around 250 to 300, and it is so super good. Can you see the coverage that it provided me? That's why I love it so much, and it has a wide variety of shade for you to choose from. So that's about the concealer. Now let's move on to the foundation step. For that I'm going to use the Miss Claire's Everyday Foundation. You won't believe this foundation just cost rupees 200 to 250, but it performs like an expensive foundation. This has amazing variety of shades, it's affordable and it performs so well, and it provides so much of coverage. It provides almost medium to full coverage. It's buildable, so this is really worth a try. I just touched it and can you see how much it is covering, and the coverage is just so much good. Can you just see the difference, guys? That's how much it is so good, and this shade Cinnamon is just the perfect one for me. Now I'm going to use a lip and cheek tint because cream blushes are my love nowadays. So today I'm going to use this Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint, and this product is just so good. It's super creamy and it's amazing. I'm going to use the same foundation brush. Can you see how beautifully blended, and it just provides a subtle tint with a little bit glue. Now I'm just gonna set everything with the same Swiss Beauty loose powder, and to be honest I really like it so much. This Swiss Beauty powder is just so good, guys. I just cannot stop talking about it because I was really surprised when I saw the powder in action. Can you see I'm just dusting the powder on my face, but it's just super matte and set. So that's about the base. Now let's move on to eye makeup time. For eyebrows today I got you this Inside Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and this eyebrow pencil is so super good. You won't believe it just cost rupees 180 rupees or 200. You have the pencil side and a spoolie side right here. It is super comfortable, it is travel friendly, and the pigmentation is top notch, so you just have to be a little bit careful. So yeah, let's just groom my eyebrows a little bit. You can see I'm very soft in touch, but though it is so pigmented. Can you see? So this is how the eyebrow looks like. If you can see, my eyes are a little watery. It's because of the dry eyes. Every video, single video, especially makeup based videos, my eye just doesn't support me in any way. But yeah, let's keep going. It's only because for you guys, so do support. So let's just complete the other eyebrow and be right back. So that's about the eyebrows, guys. It's super good, right? So now let's just move on to eyeshadow, which is my favorite part of makeup. For that is my current favorite. I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics Mesmerize eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful 16 shade palette, and can you see the variety of shades, guys? This is super amazing, right? The color, the pigmentation is just super top notch, and you won't believe this just cost rupees 250 to 300 somewhat, I guess. Yeah, it's just rupees 249, and oh my god, this is just so good. I'm just gonna take the shade and blend it over my transition. This is super pigmented yet blends so easily, guys. Can you see the pigmentation of this eyeshadow? Now I'm gonna take this beautiful pink color shade. I'm just gonna blend it on my crease, not too much, but just below the transition. Oh my god, can you see the pigmentation, guys? Can you see how pigmented yet it blended in so well? No fallouts, nothing. That's why I like it so much. So now I'm gonna take this orange shade with this shader brush, and I'm gonna apply it on the center part of my eyelid. Can you see the pigmentation? I'm just gonna pack it over here. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna take the other side of this same shader brush, and I'm gonna just pick this pink shimmer shade and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, like that. Only till here. So here is gonna be the orange one. So I'm gonna make this look a little bit more blendable. I'm gonna use the same orange shade on my lower lash line and apply it. So this is the eye look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I'll just complete the other eye and I'll be right back. So I've completed my other eye. I've also completed my Kajal and eyeliner part of the other eye. So let's just move on to Kajal. For Kajal, my current absolute favorite is the Plums I Swear by Kajal. This Kajal is super affordable. It is pigmented and it is long lasting. It is so good for sensitive eyes as well. So me being a sensitive eyes person. I love this so much. It is super pigmented. So I'm just gonna tightline my upper and lower waterline with this Kajal. Can you see the intense pigmentation in just 2 swipes? That's how much it is so good. Today I have tried somewhat a different eyeliner because every time drawing a little bit of medium thick winged eyeliner is a little boring for me. So today I've tried something new. So let's see. This side looks pretty good. Let's see how we can match the other side. So for eyeliner, my current favorite is the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so super pigmented. As you can see, it's super matte. It sets fast, so you have to be a little bit fast while working with this. So I'm just gonna draw an outer wing to match the side. So this is how the eyeliner looks like. So now what I'm gonna do, I've just drawn a very thin, like a pencil line on top of my eyelid to just give it that beautiful cat eye kind of a look. I guess it has given that kind of a look. So that's about the eyeliner. I guess it's pretty good. Yeah, it's looking like a thin cat wing eyeliner. I guess I've just achieved at least a little bit. So for eyelash color, I'm going to use this Vega eyelash color, which is super affordable. I've been using this for years and I love it so much. So I'm going to curl my lashes with this eyelash color. Ooh, I forgot about the mascara. Let's just get it. So for mascara today, I'm going to use the Essence Big Lashes Mascara. Actually, to be honest, I really love the Mars Fabulash Mascara, but I've emptied it, so I have to restock it soon. I thought of just completing off the current mascara stash and then purchase. This Essence is also a pretty good, decent mascara, to be honest, and it is good for everyday look or casual outings like that. So this is how the mascara looks like. It's pretty good. It volumizes and slightly lengthens the lashes, but I love the way it volumizes my lashes so well, and it's a pretty good and decent one. So that's it for the eye part. Now let's just continue with the face. So let's just zoom out. Yeah, we are back. So this is the Sugar Contour Diffuse Mini Contour and Blush. I love these so much. Each are rupees 350 or 375 and they are super good in quality. The pigmentation, the performance is so good. So first I'm gonna take the bronzer and apply it in the hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline and slightly on the sides of my nose. So yeah, now I'm going to take the blush and apply it on the apples of my cheeks and a tad bit on the center of my nose. But today I don't think I have to apply on the center of my nose. So let's just apply on the apples of my cheeks. Can you see, this is so pigmented, such a pretty shade for all skin tones. I love this so much. Now coming to the best part, highlighter. But before that, I'm just gonna set my face with my current favorite setting mist, which is the Swiss Beauty Natural Setting Mist. This just costs rupees 249 or 250, somewhere in between that. Can you see there's a slight bit of dewiness, but it's not too dewy, but it's not matte, so it's somewhere in between. So now I'm going to use a highlighter, and my current favorite highlighter in the affordable category is none other than the Mars Cosmetics Wonder Highlighter. This shade is just super good with a beautiful luxe packaging and I like it so much. So I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush right over here. I'm just going to take a slight bit and pop it out. Can you see? And I'm gonna apply it lightly on the bridge of my nose and on my eyebrow bone, just like that. Now let's move on to the lipstick, my favorite last part of the makeup, and that is the Mars Cosmetics Lip Crayon. This is called the Won't Smudge Lip Crayon. It really performs the same. Can you see the pigmentation? If it is set, it is set. It is that so good, you guys. It is just rupees 150 or 180. It has amazing variety of shades, and this shade is called Girl Power, a beautiful brownish nude shade for dusky skin tone. I like it so much. So that's it for the look. I'll just complete the entire look and I'll be right back. So that's it for the look, guys. I hope you guys like this look. Also, the products that I have mentioned here is super affordable and it's below 500, so do check these out. Also, I will link all the product names along with the link in the description box below, guys, so you can check it out. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Yeah, you can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more skincare, haircare and makeup content. Until next time, bye.